Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Doro 8100 and let me share with you how to clear the browser on this device. So let's start with opening the browser. In my case it will be Google Chrome, but this operation is pretty similar in all other browsers which are commonly used, so I'm pretty sure that you will be able to follow my steps on your browser. So as I said, let's open the browser, now 3 dots icon in the right upper corner and tap on delete browsing data. Here we've got basic options which we can remove, so the history, tabs, cookies, cache and other site data. So if you're okay with that, just tap on delete data. If you want to remove advanced browsing history, tap on more options, and here we've got it, so saved passwords, auto-confirm data and site settings. If you want to remove, make sure that it is marked, so I will remove everything. We can change the time range, it's up to you. I'll choose all time and tap on delete data. Now we can enter the history, so 3 dots icon, history, and as you can see the history is empty, which means that we just successfully removed everything. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.